Cake, the channel that's about baking and much, much more. A warm welcome to my channel. Let's make a finger-licking good, easy, everyday egg curry. That too with no special spices. But we'll be adding in 2 secret ingredients, so keep watching. This is an easy egg curry for beginners, but made in restaurant style. We'll start with 6 boiled and peeled eggs. If you want to learn how to make perfectly boiled eggs, please see my video on deviled eggs. The link is up here and in the description box below. Let's first make 2 or 3 slits in the eggs. Like this. After making slits in all the eggs, let's keep these aside and make some other preparations for the curry. Let's freshly grind 4 cloves, a 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 2 green cardamoms, and 10 peppercorns. We'll grind these using a pestle and mortar. Instead of freshly grinding these spices, you could use 3/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala. We have to use only the seeds of the cardamom. Here's our freshly ground spice mix. To make our restaurant-style egg masala, we'll also need 3 medium-sized onions that have to be chopped as finely as possible. To do this more easily and quickly, you could use a simple chopper like this. The link is in the description box. We'll first roughly chop the onion. The finely chopped onion measures around 3/4 of a cup. We'll also need 1 1/4 cups of tomato puree. You could make this by roughly chopping 4 medium-sized tomatoes and then grinding them in your mixer grinder. In this non-stick pan, I have 1 tablespoon of oil heating on a medium flame. Now let's add the eggs to it. We'll fry them for around a minute. And then sprinkle a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder on them. And toss them for around a minute till the eggs are well coated with the spices. We'll now carefully remove the eggs to a plate. To the same pan, let's add 3 more tablespoons of oil. Let it heat on a medium flame and then throw in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We'll saute these for a few seconds and then add in the finely chopped onions. We have to brown these. To let the onion sweat and brown faster, we'll add in 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. We'll brown the onions on a medium flame, taking care to see they don't burn. Next, we'll add in 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger and 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic. Let's saute these for a few seconds and then pour in the tomato puree. If you find value in this video, please like and subscribe. We'll saute the entire mix till we see that the oil has started separating. At this stage, we'll add in 5 tablespoons of whisked yogurt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, the freshly ground spice mix or 3/4 of a teaspoon of garam masala and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then add our first secret ingredient, 2 teaspoons of besan. This will give the gravy a better, more stable texture and prevent it from separating. We let the gravy cook for 2 minutes and then add in some water to adjust the consistency. We'll first add half a cup, then a 1/4 cup, and since it's still too thick, another half cup. We'll now add in our second secret ingredient, 1 teaspoon of sugar. This will nicely balance all the other flavors in the egg masala curry or gravy. We'll reduce the heat slightly and let the gravy boil for around 5 minutes. And then taste it. I think it could do with a 1/4 teaspoon more of salt. Finally, we'll increase the heat to medium and add in the seasoned eggs. Mix them well in the curry. Cover the pan and let the curry boil for 2 minutes, not more. We don't want the eggs to become rubbery. Our easy restaurant wali egg curry is ready. Let's plate it. Looks delicious, doesn't it? Like I said, it's an easy egg masala recipe with no special kind of spices. Do try it out for yourself. And please like and subscribe and press the notification bell for regular alerts. Bye for now, and till we meet again, happy cooking!